All right, so let's talk about some things, and I want you guys, as you're hearing like these things, I want you to share in on what you know. Also share your questions, okay? Share your questions, okay? So what I wanted to talk with you guys about tonight, I wanted to give you some updates on the pharmacy industry. I wanted to also just kind of see where you guys were with everything that's going on right now, okay? I love to touch bases with you guys, and so I know you've probably been watching the news. It's all over social media, you know, all of the rioting, all of the turmoil that's going on, the violence, the sicknesses that are going on. It's just a lot of negative going on the news right now. So I wanted to have a sit down with you guys and just talk about it, because some people have questions or have sent in questions concerning, Onisha, what does this mean for pharmacy jobs at this time? Okay. And I can only give you what's happening step by step. And honestly, right now, day by day, week to week basis. Okay. Because things are just changing drastically. All right. But I do want to say this: pharmacy jobs right now are at an all-time high. They're at an all-time high. I've talked to so many people, and we have so many people joining our community right now. And I told you guys this last month, we have so many people joining our community right now saying that they're transitioning from other career fields into pharmacy, okay? Because right now, as it stands, pharmacy is more stable. Pharmacy has a ton of jobs available in abundance. Like your local CVS's, Walgreens, retail pharmacy, even hospital pharmacy, they are hiring right now. Okay, it's very much so needed. So that's just to square that away. Now, let me speak on things concerning the pharmacy industry getting jobs. And one thing in particular I want to touch on is you guys' social profiles. Okay, this is for LinkedIn, Facebook, IG, whatever the case. You don't want to be on your social profile. Okay, I know. Even with all the news and stuff that's going on, you don't want to be on your social profile coming off as a person that is rambunctious, full of turmoil, and just full of drama and full of problems. Okay, I'm really just giving you real life advice right now. All right, somebody said insurance companies. I'm gonna speak on that. But guys, you want to make sure that you are being smart and thinking, even when it concerns like your social platforms, because why? You want to be right now in this time, you need to put yourself in position to be the most employable person ever. Okay, even within the pharmacy field, you want to put yourself in position for that. All right, so I'm talking about social media platforms because I've seen so much stuff. Some of it has shocked me, the things that I've seen on social media platforms of even some pharmacy professionals. So I'm just here to share with you guys, because you guys are dedicated. I know you guys are serious about your career. So I just want you guys to know, don't put yourself out there in a negative light, or don't make a mistake today based on something that was done yesterday or some way that you felt yesterday, because the next day that could be affecting you super heavy. Okay, and I'm just sharing this with you for the well-being of your family, for the well-being of yourself. You got to think about your future ahead. All right, there's a lot going on. People have a lot of opinions. Okay, I have my own opinions. People have a lot of opinions and a lot of things to say, guys, but at the end of the day, you don't want to jeopardize your ability to be employed, okay? Because you still have to put food on the table. You still have to feed your family at the end of the day when it's all said and done, all right? So I just wanted to share that with our pharmacy community here. I'm really here to get into politics or share opinions on different matters that are actually happening right now. But I just wanted to share that with you, okay? Make sure that you're thinking and being smart about decisions that you're making concerning your social platforms.